I recently was sent this 3-pack of the Neporal full spectrum light bulbs, and I wanted to share my experience. First off, what's really cool is that these light bulbs are designed to simulate and mimic the full spectrum of outdoor daylight. Now, this can have a positive impact on your overall mood. It brings in 6,000 K of natural white light, which can help if you feel drowsy and helps you to stay focused. It delivers a soft and bright light, so whether you're working, reading, or simply relaxing, it creates a comfortable atmosphere. Installing these bulbs is super easy. They have a standard E26, E27 base, which fits most light fixtures. These light bulbs are extremely energy efficient. They give you the full brightness of a 60-watt incandescent bulb, but only use 9 watts of power. Plus, they are built to last. They can last for 30,000 hours. That's nearly 3.5 years. I think these Neporal full spectrum light bulbs are a fantastic addition to any space in the home. They bring in that natural sunlight feel, making you feel more awake and focused. They're easy to install and have energy-saving features. I recommend giving these light bulbs a try.